In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check AGI on TurboTax. Your adjusted gross income, or AGI, is a key number the IRS uses for things like identity verification and e-filing. It comes directly from your tax return, and finding it in TurboTax is quick once you know where to look. Start by opening TurboTax and signing in with your Intuit credentials. If you're not already signed in or don't have the page handy, use the official TurboTax link in the description to access your account. Once you're in, head to your tax home. This is your main dashboard and the easiest place to get to your prior returns. From the tax home, scroll down until you see the section labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. Here, you'll find a list of tax years associated with your account. Select the specific prior year you want to review. It's important to choose the correct year because the IRS will ask for the AGI from your most recently filed return when you e-file a new one. Next, click Download Print Return, PDF. Save the PDF to a place you can easily find, like your desktop or a dedicated tax folder. Keeping your documents organized now will save you time later. Open the downloaded PDF and locate Form 1040. If the file is long, use your PDF viewer's search feature and type Form 1040 to jump right to it. Once you're on Form 1040, look for line 11. That line shows your adjusted gross income. The number you see there is the AGI you'll use for verification and e-filing purposes. Before you use the amount, double-check the tax year shown on the Form 1040 you opened. You want to be absolutely certain you're referencing the correct year, especially if you filed an amended return or had multiple filings. Using the wrong year's AGI is a common reason e-file submissions get rejected. When prompted by TurboTax or the IRS for your AGI, enter it exactly as it appears on line 11. Match the whole number, including any zeros. If there are cents, enter them as shown, but many systems accept whole dollars. Consistency matters, so avoid rounding unless the form displays a whole dollar amount. Finally, keep that PDF saved for your records. Having a secure, backed-up copy makes it easy to retrieve your AGI in the future and helps streamline next year's filing. That's it. Simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find your AGI in TurboTax.